Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to collect customer reviews with Loox. First, all you need to do is head to your Shopify website and log in. Once you've logged in, head over to App and install Loox Reviews. Then once you've installed it, head over to it and make sure to follow the steps to add it to your website. Now that you're in your site, you should see that Loox core script has been activated. Once it's been activated, any reviews that you get for any of your products will now be linked to your Loox Reviews page where you'll be able to see all the reviews. You can also head over to Manage Reviews, click on Collect Reviews, and from here it will show you lots of different ways to help you get reviews from your products. For example, one of the settings here is to get a request of a review. This means that when someone buys a product, you can set a time for after the person has bought the product where they'll then receive an email asking for a review of the product. So try out some different settings if you do not have many reviews to get more reviews for your products so your products become more eye-catching for new customers. And that's basically it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.